friends are?
They're all dead.
What killed them?
Bad manners.
Party time. Get out. Hey! Hey! Best looking piece of ass I've seen in a long time. What are you doing here?
Waiting for Angel.
Like to do bikers. Angel ain't come back till tomorrow. You'll have to wait.
I want Angel.
Look, Mother. You can have Angel. In the meantime, you're gonna do me. Now you come around. Do me like you did your Angel.
If you say so.
Stranger. Must be. Managed to turn this town inside out against itself. Oh, that's very nice. That's very funny and everything. But the problem is if you don't kill Angel now, he's just gonna burn this town to the ground.
Yeah, well, it sounds like a public service to me.
Angel's no ordinary badass.
I can take care of myself. What are you gonna do?
I'm a pacifist.
A pacifist. Your coward's badge.
Who are you?
Take care, Grenade.
When Angel comes back into town, he's gonna be able to pay.
You can count on it.
Watch my back, Carl. It's Jonesy. Go. 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 Get out here. Go. Shit.
What are you still doing here?
She talked me into staying.
We can help. All right. Come on. Are you ready for your assignment?
Sure. What do you want us to do?
It's empty, Angel.
Yeah, it's like a ghost town. It's
Eerie.
God. She's here. I know she is. I can feel her. Hawk! Kyra, go find the lawman! Or she can hit.
I know another way. Come on.
My energies, my strength, my skills, they all come together today, Brother Hobbit. I can feel it. Let's go get us some.
Hey, Huck!
No! You're dead! One's spent, the other one's good. Alright, look out. Morning! Wait! She nailed you. Nailed me my ass. She's mine, whoever the fuck she is.
Angel, we're the only ones left. Prudence would dictate that we take another course.
Fucking win there. Go get him. Go get him!
Angel, I hate to be impertinent, but under the circumstances,
Don't fuck with me, Hobbit! Go get him! Of course. Move it!
Where are you, little monkey? You up there? Here, monkey. Son of a monkey. Look at me. Law degree from Harvard. MD from Johns Hopkins. I could have lived a rich, cushy life somewhere. Had a trophy wife. Oh, yeah, and a Lincoln. No. I had to become fascinated with the darker recesses of